Check me out, check me out. Yes, finally. We've come back to Que Bola. So, I am at one of my favorite places, Que Bola in Des Plaines, Illinois. For some reason, well, a variety of reasons, I haven't had a chance to get back here since I've returned from Utah. I'm so happy. My mouth is so happy. This is legit Cuban food, which I had not had for a long time. My teen years were spent in South Florida, where there was much Cuban food, and just look at that. This is a Cubano. Did I mention that? That pork. I lived in the St. Pete, Tampa area, where there's Ybor City, which is about as Cuban as you can get without going to Cuba. They give you sweet potato chips, their plantains are fantastic. They're I've been through most of their sandwiches, and I'm gonna have to return to start finishing up the menu. Their dinner menu, I've tried a few things. Their Cuban coffees, let's see, I haven't done many of their appetizers yet, but they have lots of great appetizers. Got some Rojas sauce. I got some other kind of sauce. But man, this is just so good. I'm gonna stuff my face with this some more, but then hopefully not spill it all over my shirt like I usually do. And that's all I've got for now. Stuffing my face. Yum! Thanks for watching, y'all, and we'll see you next time. Bye!